Hey YouTube, VC, Scott from Fish's Vinyl Homebrewing. It is a rainy Saturday during this coronavirus outbreak. I got nothing better to do, so I'm going to show you a couple records I've gotten here. Some I've gotten from thrift stores, some I've gotten through trades, but here we go. This album from Yes, double LP. Shaved Fish from John Lennon. There's some jazz funk from Mandrill. Some prog rock, psych stuff from Deep Leonard. More from Wishbone Ash. Some more prog rock from Straubs. Tell me the guy with long hair doesn't look like Saruman from Lord of the Rings. Some more prog rock from UK. Procol's Ninth, Procol Harum. I got a etched version of Styx, Paradise Theater. Got some psych rock from Love. Some more psych from Donovan. Variety Heat, it's a nice rock right there. Fearless from Family. Some art rock from Nick Gilder. Creepy cover, I'm not gonna lie. Some more John Lennon. Cover's a little beat, but still plays pretty decent. There's some more like Southern rock from The Flock. And last one, more psych from Vanilla Fudge. All right, have a good day.